What's going on, fellow engineers? Thank you for checking out this video. This video I'm going to be covering how to install the AddToAny share buttons on your WordPress site. So let's get to it. Alright, so this video, like I mentioned, the AddToAny buttons, I'm going to show you what I currently have on my website. And so I have it under the share this block. And basically you get a list of social media platforms as well as like email and Gmail. And then if you click more, then you get even more options or ways to share this particular content. And so it also even has this search function here. So if I type mail, so I got Gmail, email, mail.ru, Yahoo Mail, and AOL as options to submit this to. And what will happen is if you click, let's say email, it will actually redirect to your mail client. It may not work on this particular system since I am using Linux. Oh, well, there it goes. And so, but it basically is an easier way of allow quick access to share the content that you have on your site. So I'm going to enable this plugin. I already have it downloaded, as you see. I downloaded it using the WordPress command line interface, and to do that you just type in WP plugin install add-to-any, and it will download it for you. If not, you can go into the WordPress, go to new plugins, and just search for it there. All right, so to activate it, just going to click activate. And then I'm going to go ahead and go into the settings since I'm already on this page here. And all right, and so as you see, it's got a little box here that is showing too. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss that. And these are what the icons they look like. And you have the ability on this one to add and remove services. The one that I currently have, I don't have that ability. So I could just go in here and add everything. And that's probably what I will do. I'm not going to do that right now though. And also you can set the size of the icon, whether you want the icon to be, transparency or not, and scroll down. And so there's a universal adding button that you kind of saw here, right here. So it's the same concept, and if I go back, there's the same plus button right here that currently exists on my site. So I'm gonna leave that as is. I'm not gonna change it to anything else, but you do have the option to change it to something else. Also, the placement where you want it on the page. I'll put it at I'll leave it at the bottom now. And then also which pages you want it and where else it can show up. And then there are some other options here that can be set. I'm not going to mess with any of these. And then also has these URL. If you want some other additional icons or something like that, make sure you can do that. And custom CSS that you may need to make adjustments to it because the default CSS may not work with your particular site. So I'm going to go ahead and save the changes. All right, so the changes have been saved. So if I go to the site now out of admin mode, let's see if I see it at the bottom. There it is. So it's at the bottom of each of the posts. Now this is the home page. If I go, yeah, so at the bottom of the post, it's also there as well. And it also has the option to do more. So this is basically how it works on this site. And like I say, you saw earlier where it has the option where you can put it at the top or the bottom, or top and bottom. On my old site, I have it at the top on the sidebar, but you could put it in the middle. It's up to you how you want to do that. So that will wrap it up for this particular video. If you have any questions or not sure how to get the plugin installed, or you've never used AddToAny and you have questions about the functionality or security associated with it, you can drop a comment in the comment section below. I will be sure to get back to you with an answer, or at least a reference to an answer that will assist you. Also, please be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at almostengr, and check out my website, thealmostengineer.com. So until next time, peace out.